Welcome to our deep dive into the world of CPUs, where two titans, Intel and AMD Ryzen, battle for dominance. Whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or just someone who wants a fast, reliable computer, understanding the differences between these two brands is crucial. Over the next several scenes, we'll break down their histories, architectures, performance, pricing, and more. By the end, you'll have a clear idea of which CPU might be the best fit for your need. Let's start by looking at how both companies rose to prominence and why their rivalry shapes the tech industry today. Intel has been a household name in computing for decades. Founded in 1968, Intel quickly became synonymous with high-performance processors, powering everything from personal computers to servers. Their innovations, such as the x86 architecture, set industry standards and made Intel chips the go-to choice for many years. As we move forward, keep in mind how Intel's long-standing reputation and experience have influenced its approach to CPU design and market strategy. AMD, or Advanced Micro Devices, has been around almost as long as Intel, but for years it played second fiddle. That all changed with the launch of the Ryzen series in 2017. Ryzen processors brought AMD back into the spotlight, offering impressive performance at competitive prices. This resurgence forced Intel to innovate faster and sparked a new era of competition. AMD's focus on multi-core performance and affordability has made it a favorite among enthusiasts and budget-conscious buyers alike. The heart of every CPU is its architecture. Intel and AMD have taken different approaches here. Intel's recent chips use a hybrid architecture combining high performance and efficiency cores. AMD's Ryzen, on the other hand, relies on a chiplet design which allows for more cores and better scalability. Understanding these architectural differences is key to knowing how each CPU performs in real-world tasks, from gaming to multitasking. When it comes to raw performance, both Intel and AMD have their strengths. Intel chips often excel in single-core tasks, making them great for gaming and applications that don't use many threads. AMD Ryzen, with its higher core and thread counts, shines in multi-core workloads like video editing and 3D rendering. The gap between the two has narrowed significantly in recent years, making the choice less clear-cut than ever before. Gamers' CPU choice can make a noticeable difference. Intel's high clock speeds and strong single-threaded performance often translate to higher frame rates in many popular games. However, AMD has closed the gap, and in some titles, Ryzen CPUs now match or even outperform Intel. The difference is often just a few frames per second, so other factors like GPU and system memory also play a big role. If you're into video editing, 3D modeling, or streaming, AMD Ryzen's multi-core advantage becomes clear. More cores mean faster rendering times and smoother multitasking. Intel has made strides with its latest CPUs, but Ryzen's chiplet design often gives it the edge in heavily threaded workloads. For creators, this can translate to real productivity gains and less time waiting for projects to finish. Power consumption is a big deal, especially for laptops and small form-factor PCs. Intel's hybrid architecture aims to balance performance and efficiency, helping extend battery life and reduce heat. AMD has also improved power efficiency with each Ryzen generation, but Intel's latest chips often have a slight edge in this area. For users who value quiet, cool, and long-lasting devices, efficiency is a key consideration. Overclocking lets users push their CPUs beyond factory settings for extra performance. Both Intel and AMD offer unlocked chips, but AMD has generally been more open, allowing overclocking on more affordable motherboards. Intel's recent chips have improved in this area, but you may need a higher-end motherboard to unlock their full potential. For enthusiasts, overclocking can be a fun way to squeeze out extra speed. Not all CPUs come with integrated graphics, but when they do, it can be a big plus for budget builds or compact systems. Intel's integrated graphics have improved over the years, now supporting light gaming and 4K video playback. AMD's Ryzen APUs, branded as Ryzen with Radeon graphics, offer strong integrated performance, sometimes even rivaling entry-level discrete GPUs. This makes them a solid choice for users who don't need a dedicated graphics card. Choosing a CPU also means picking the right motherboard. Intel and AMD use different sockets and chipsets, so you'll need to match your CPU with a compatible board. AMD has been praised for supporting multiple Ryzen generations on the same socket, making upgrades easier. Intel, on the other hand, often requires a new motherboard with each major CPU release. This can affect the total cost and upgrade path for your system. Price is always a major factor. AMD Ryzen CPUs are often seen as offering better value, especially in the mid-range and budget segments. Intel's chips can be more expensive, but they sometimes justify the price with higher performance in specific tasks. It's important to compare not just the sticker price but also the total platform cost, including motherboards and cooling solution. In recent years, global chip shortages have affected both Intel and AMD. Sometimes one brand's CPUs are easier to find or less expensive due to supply chain issues. This can influence your decision, especially if you need a new computer right away. It's always a good idea to check current availability and prices before making a final choice. When investing in a CPU, it's smart to think about the future. AMD's longer socket support and focus on multi-core performance can help your system stay relevant longer. Intel's rapid innovation means new features arrive quickly but may require more frequent upgrades. Consider your upgrade plans and how long you want your system to last when choosing between Intel and AMD. Intel versus AMD battle isn't just for desktops. In laptops, Intel has long dominated, but AMD's Ryzen mobile chips are gaining ground fast. Ryzen-powered laptops now offer great battery life, strong performance, and competitive pricing. Intel still leads in some thin-end light models, but the gap is closing, giving consumers more choices than ever before. On the desktop side, both Intel and AMD offer a wide range of CPUs from entry-level to high-end. AMD's Ryzen 9 and Threadripper series target enthusiasts and professionals, while Intel's Core i9 and Xeon chips compete at the top. The competition has led to rapid innovation, with both brands pushing the limits of what desktop CPUs can do. The server market, AMD's EPYC and Intel's Xeon processors battle for supremacy. AMD's EPYC chips offer high core counts and strong performance per dollar, making them popular for cloud computing and data centers. Intel's Xeon line is known for stability and a wide range of features. Both brands are trusted by businesses worldwide to power critical infrastructure. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are driving new demands for CPUs. Both Intel and AMD are adding features to accelerate AI workloads, such as specialized instructions and support for large memory pools. While GPUs are still the main workhorses for AI, modern CPUs from both brands play a crucial supporting role in these advanced applications. Security is more important than ever. Both Intel and AMD have introduced hardware-based security features to protect against modern threats. Intel's vPro and AMD's secure processor offer encryption, secure boot, and other protections. While no system is invulnerable, these features add an extra layer of defense for both home and business users. Keeping CPUs cool is vital for performance and longevity. Intel and AMD use different approaches to thermal management, including built-in sensors and dynamic frequency scaling. AMD's chiplet design can help distribute heat more evenly, while Intel's hybrid cores optimize power use. Good cooling solutions are essential, especially for high-end chips and overclocking. Software can make a big difference in how well a CPU performs. Some programs are optimized for Intel's architecture, while others take advantage of Ryzen's many cores. Operating systems and drivers are constantly updated to improve compatibility and performance. Before choosing a CPU, consider the software you use most and how it performs on each platform. CPU is just one part of your system. Intel and AMD both have strong ecosystems, with a wide range of compatible motherboards, memory, and accessories. Some features like Thunderbolt support are more common on Intel platforms, while AMD boards may offer better value or more expansion options. Consider the whole ecosystem when building or upgrading your PC. BIOS updates can unlock new features or improve compatibility. AMD has a reputation for providing BIOS updates that add support for new CPUs on older boards. Intel also releases updates, but support may be limited to newer chipsets. Keeping your BIOS up to date ensures you get the best performance and stability from your system. Both Intel and AMD offer warranties and customer support, but policies can differ. AMD typically provides a 3-year warranty on its CPUs, while Intel offers similar coverage. Support experiences can vary, so it's worth checking reviews and user feedback. Good support can make a big difference if you ever run into issues with your processor. Strong community can help you get the most out of your CPU. Both Intel and AMD have active user forums, online guides, and enthusiast groups. Whether you're troubleshooting, overclocking, or just looking for tips, these resources can be invaluable. The vibrant communities around both brands make it easier to find help and share experiences. Sustainability is becoming more important in tech. Both Intel and AMD are working to reduce their environmental footprint through energy-efficient designs and responsible manufacturing. If eco-friendliness is a priority for you, look for CPUs with lower power consumption and companies with strong sustainability commitments. For businesses, reliability and support are key. Intel's long history in the enterprise market gives it an edge in some areas, but AMD's EPYC processors are gaining traction thanks to their performance and value. Both brands offer features like remote management and virtualization support, making them suitable for a wide range of business applications. The rivalry between Intel and AMD has fueled rapid innovation. Each company pushes the other to develop faster, more efficient, and more feature-rich CPUs. This competition benefits consumers, leading to better products and more choices. Watching the innovation race unfold is exciting for tech enthusiasts and everyday users alike. Many users develop strong preferences for one brand over the other. Brand loyalty can be influenced by past experiences, marketing, or even just personal taste. While it's natural to have favorites, it's always worth considering the latest data and reviews before making a decision. Both Intel and AMD have their loyal fans, and healthy competition keeps both brands striving for excellence. While most people think of Intel and AMD in terms of desktops and laptops, both companies are exploring mobile devices. AMD's Ryzen Mobile and Intel's Core i series are found in tablets and ultrabooks, offering strong performance in portable packages. As mobile computing grows, expect to see even more innovation from both brands in this space. Building a custom PC lets you choose every component, including the CPU. Both Intel and AMD offer options for every budget and need. Whether you're building a gaming rig, a workstation, or a home theater PC, the choice between Intel and AMD will shape your system's performance and capabilities. Customization is one of the biggest advantages of the PC platform. Not everyone wants to build their own PC. Prebuilt Systems from major brands now offer both Intel and AMD options. These systems are tested for compatibility and often come with warranties and support. Whether you choose Intel or AMD, Prebuilt PCs make it easy to get up and running quickly. Small form factor PCs are becoming more popular, and both Intel and AMD offer CPUs that fit these compact builds. Efficient designs and integrated graphics make it possible to have powerful systems in tiny cases. Whether for home theater, office, or travel, small PCs are a growing trend. Thinking about future upgrades, AMD's consistent socket support makes it easier to swap in a new CPU without changing your motherboard. Intel's frequent socket changes can make upgrades more complicated. Planning your upgrade path can save you money and hassle down the road. Keeping your CPU cool is essential for performance and longevity. Both Intel and AMD CPUs come with stock coolers, but aftermarket options can offer better cooling and quieter operation. High-end chips may require liquid cooling or large air coolers. Choosing the right cooling solution is an important part of building a reliable system. RAM speed and compatibility can affect CPU performance. AMD Ryzen CPUs often benefit from faster memory, while Intel chips are generally more forgiving. Always check your motherboard's compatibility list and aim for the best balance of speed and stability for your needs. PCI Express PCIe lanes determine how many high-speed devices you can connect. AMD was first to market with PCIe 4 support, allowing for faster SSDs and graphics cards. Intel has since caught up, and both brands now offer PCIe 4 and even PCIe 5 on some platforms. More PCIe lanes mean more expansion options for your system. Both Intel and AMD platforms support a wide range of storage options, including NVMe SSDs and traditional hard drives. Some motherboards offer features like RAID, Optane memory, or extra M2 slots. Your choice of CPU can affect how many drives you can connect and how fast they run, so plan your storage needs accordingly. Modern CPUs and motherboards offer a range of connectivity options, from USB-C to Wi-Fi 6. Intel often leads in features like Thunderbolt and integrated networking, while AMD boards may offer more USB ports or better audio. Consider what connections you need for your devices and peripherals when choosing a platform. CPU choice can affect how noisy your system is. Efficient CPUs generate less heat, allowing for quieter cooling solutions. Both Intel and AMD have made strides in reducing power consumption and noise, but your choice of cooler and case also plays a big role. For silent builds, look for low-power CPUs and quiet fans. From massive workstations to tiny mini PCs, both Intel and AMD support a variety of form factors. Your choice of CPU can influence which cases and motherboards are available. Think about your space, cooling needs, and future upgrades when picking a form factor. Intel and AMD CPUs are available worldwide, but pricing and availability can vary by region. Local taxes, import duties, and distribution channels all play a role. If you're buying outside the US, check local retailers and consider warranty coverage in your country. Ultimately, the best CPU is the one that meets your needs and fits your budget. Both Intel and AMD offer excellent user experiences with fast boot times, smooth multitasking, and reliable performance. Consider your main uses: gaming, work, creativity, and choose the CPU that aligns with your priorities. So many factors to consider, choosing between Intel and AMD can feel overwhelming. Focus on what matters most to you: performance, price, upgradability, or features. Both brands have strengths and weaknesses, but the good news is that there's never been a better time to buy a CPU. Take your time, do your research, and you'll end up with a system you'll love. The Intel versus AMD Ryzen rivalry has driven incredible progress in the CPU world. Whether you choose Intel for its efficiency and innovation or AMD for its value and multi-core power, you're getting a powerful piece of technology. The real winner is the consumer, with more choices and better performance than ever before. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the world of CPUs.